big they are. So
Yeah.
gross.
That's pretty awesome. Yeah, it's good. Yeah, but there's nothing you can do about
It's on Honey Bear.
I can't do it.
it. Free, we've got
Being clothes out on the line. Freaking hell.
We're gonna bite this
Australia.
like that.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
I've
Yeah.
never had lime.
Yeah. Shanta's never had a lime before.
Oh, I don't think he eats them. Oh.
Cutting up a lime and eating it.
So Hallie's gonna eat it like me in the video where I ate the lemon, but this one is lime and I haven't had this. So this is the first time that I'm gonna eat the lime. And
was
Hallie
so
wants to join me.
Yeah. Sea salt. Okay. Are you gonna like eat it like a
Then bite it.
Okay.
Oh, you want to take it?
Are you gonna get
Or maybe we should just slice it open.
Slice it open.
Yeah,
Oh,
it's just,
see, it looks like a
there's waterfalls everywhere.
mandarin, you know?
Yeah, I know. You know? You know?
Yeah.
I know.
In there.
There's those tourist spots.
Oh, yuck.
Ready, Hallie?
Okay.
1, 2, go.
Yeah, they're all untouched.
It's not sour.
There must be places still like that.
Yeah, everywhere.
There's so many islands, there must be some islands that are really.
Yeah, definitely, yeah.
Where do you go in the honeymoon?
We went to one day and, did you see that video?
No,
don't
I just saw
like
part of it. I didn't see any.
No, it's so.
Well, I saw you're in a
I
resort.
take it.
Yeah.
Oh.
It was in a resort on the beach and then we hired a scooter.
I tried that, so.
There was like underwater caves and stuff as well. Like,
Mm.
all of that.
Oh.
Some of those places you get swimming out there, I was thinking, easy, like swimming.
Oh.
So they're like anchoring your strange to the
This
some
one.
place to some other island on the other side.
Oh yeah, all that little
Yeah.
cave thing, yeah. Yeah.
Sour.
I was thinking, man,
Super sour. Look at Hallie's face.
How are you eating that?
I looked it up with me.
I'll eat it all.
Yeah. Don't cover your face. Don't cover your face. Don't swallow it if you don't like it. I'll swallow all of it.
Crying so sour.
You're crying again, Hallie, baby.
Again.
It's good. Can I have yours?
Yeah. Yeah. Oh. It's not going away.
Oh. Yeah, it tastes. It stays for a long time.
You killed me. Oh. Wait, this is like hungry.
This one is vitamin C, Hallie. It's anti-aging, Hallie.
Vitamin D for disgusting.